ground. All right. Taser, taser, taser.
911, where's your emergency?
Yeah, I'm here at the Family Dollar. I just came up with 2383 on 2383 Broad Street. There's a woman.
What's going on?
She's got a weapon. I'm just helping this lady so she can dial out here.
No, thank you. Hi, ma'am. I'm in here picking my. She's the manager of Family Dollar. There's a woman in here. Walks behind the register. Tried to get in the safe. She's got beer bottles. Using them as weapons, threatening people, busting them all over the store.
Where's she at right now?
Threatening to hit one of the registered
Ma'am,
yes.
That's not
yes.
important. What's important is where's she at right now?
She's in the store still.
She's still in the store.
Everybody.
Okay, what does she look like?
Right here. Okay, and
what does she look like? I'm trying to hurry.
She's a black, about 5'9", about 280 pounds, shorts, black shirt with writing on it. He's coming back. There's a cop right here getting ready to turn around.
Okay.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. And then she's threatening my... Huh?
Okay. You say it's a bottle in her hand?
I'm sorry, sir, what?
It's a bottle in her hand?
I'm sorry, say it one more time. Her customer
she has a bottle in her hand?
Yeah, she busted bottles and used one of them that was broke as a weapon. And then tried to throw some at me, so I picked one up to protect myself.
Okay.
There's a cop right here right now.
192.
Go ahead.
I'm getting flagged down here at Broad and Oakley.
It's probably related to this 42 that just popped up. 191 if you can start that way. We're in this 42 at Family Dollar, 2383 West Broad, to business by force. But now they're saying female black shirt, black shorts, threatening staff.
Yep, I'm here. Put your hands behind your back! Now! You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back now.
19, help her! The camera ain't on it. It ain't green.
It's blinking red when it's on. Put your 192. Have the car step it up.
192, can't copy. Car's on a 60.
Y'all see it?
Take this break.
Does she have any weapons on her? Turn around.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. All right. Taser, taser, taser.
Get on the ground.
Stomach. Get on your stomach. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. All right. Taser, taser, taser.
Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Put your hands behind your back!
She's all right. I got her legs.
She threw bottles in here.
9101, put me on that.
I should have taken one for her.
K-97 slowed down. She's detained and started supervisor for use of taser.
You got any weapons on you? Huh?
They said she only had bottles in her bag.
Roll over on your side, dear.
Roll on your other side.
Go ahead and roll, dear.
Roll.
Just sit her.
Sit up.
Got it. All right, bring your knee in. There you go.
Camera's that long.
Good?
I love you.
You take her.
I love you.
Don't want to come out.
Stupid thing.
Keep
I
standing
just
up.
wanted water.
Keep standing up.
I'm not playing, y'all.
Keep
I
standing
just
up.
wanted water. I can't bullshit. I'm not playing, y'all. Give me some water. Pull my shirt down. A man can't touch me. Can you pull my shirt down?
They can't.
Please. Over here. Yes, ma'am. I swear to God.
You live at 107, right?
Your first time shooting a taser?
What's your name, dear?
Sierra Renee Morton. My son is a fucking kid. Boy, he was at my house yesterday.
Sierra Morton.
Sierra Renee Morton. My son.
What's your birthday, dear?
Is there like a button?
My shirt.
826 what?
85.
85. What's your social? You said you live at, what is it?
107.
Princeton?
South Princeton Avenue.
Okay.
Yeah, my shit hurt.
You got a phone number?
She's been patted down.
No.
No
I
phone?
do, yes.
Okay.
614.
Let's take some deep breaths.
His birthday and I ain't even seen. I pull my pants down in the front of these.
Everything's, you're all covered, dear.
Pull my shirt.
Just
We're gonna
stay
sit right
leaning up
here,
against
okay?
that wall, okay?
Turn the whole thing in.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. Okay. There was some dude in a red shirt that flagged me down. And then I pulled in. No. I pulled in, and then they were like, it's her, it's her.
Medics are on the way, okay?
No, I just need water. I'm fine.
You any medics will have Where's the guy in the red shirt?
He might be inside the store.
What did he say?
He flagged me down when I was driving, and then he didn't say anything. I had aired that I was flagged down, pulled in, and that's when she said that there was a 42 here, and then there was a bunch of people here, and they were like, it's her, it's her, it's her. And that's when I tried to grab her up.
You have all this stuff?
Yeah.
I only had all this. I never had no bottle. I dropped the bottles in an accident.
He's a shorter dude, older,
Her
real
daughter
tan.
scared me. Like,
He's in a
bitch.
red shirt.
She was like, bitch. And
I think he has a mustache.
Black people just nosy as fuck. That's why they.
Alright, buddy. You ready? Get in there. Just careful, I'll shock you.
Take a breath, please. Wait.
They gotta come out.
How many is it?
It's two.
Go.
We're on 3, 1. One more. I know. You guys sit up for me though. Sit up.
It's gonna hurt more.
There we go. We're up. All done.
I'll get the other phone out of
Alright, get halfway around to
Here's your prawn.
Good?
She's good.
You're good, but I'm not. I don't mess with it. What is it?
Let him check
I
his
gotta
medic.
see it though. I wanna make sure it's not hurt.
Oh, it's okay. Cause it's
Hey, look, listen, honey. We can't leave that in there because it's gonna get
What is it? I
infected.
thought you said.
It's out. Just checking to make sure it's out.
Alright,
My brain, please.
Check it.
what's your name?
1, 2, 3, Sierra, Renee Morton, go. Just get
Got his
it.
phones
They're already
down.
out. They're already out. Just double checking, okay?
Make sure she's not too.
You got two of them?
Yeah. We got 2.
Probably one taser round? Or whatever you call them?
One taser deployment, 2 probes are out.
Alright.
It felt like a motherfucking Glock with a switch on it.
They hurt. They suck.
That's the point of them. Better than bullet though, right?